Unit 1 in the Intermediate Grammar book is about the present continuous form. So what you learned in the basic grammar is just the pattern and the main use of this tense. Just like in basic grammar, the intermediate grammar explains the basic pattern for this tense. So you have your is, ing, am, ing, and are, ing. The first grammar rule discussed for the present continuous form in the intermediate grammar is when your time expression refers to now or at the moment. So as you can see in the example sentence, you are studying now. What is your time expression? Now. So if your time is now, your verb can be is mr plus ing. Since your subject is you, then we use are. And then study, we change this one to the ing form. So you are studying now. The second use of the present continuous is when you are in the middle of doing something. When you say that you're in the middle of doing something, it means that you started before, you're not doing it now, but you're going to continue doing it in the future. So you have the example sentence in here. You're talking to your friend on the phone. And you say, I am reading a really good book at the moment. So your time in here is at the moment. We know that when we use now or at the moment, we have to use is mr plus ing. But what is the difference of the second rule? In here, you are talking to your friend and you're on the phone, but you say that I am reading. So during this time, you are not really reading, but you are in the middle of reading. You started reading a really good book before. You're not doing it now because you're talking on the phone now, but you're going to continue reading the book. The third use of the present continuous is when you talk about a period around now. What is the meaning of period around now? You have some examples in here. You have this week, this month, this season. Say, for example, today is Tuesday. Is this week already finished? No. So this week is a period around now. Is this month already finished? No. It's now, but it's not yet finished. So you call it a period around now. Okay? And you have this third example, this season. The sample sentence in here is, the company isn't doing well this year. As you can see, the time expression is this year. So if this year is an example of period around now. When you use a period around now, you can use the present continuous form or is mr ing. So you have is because the company is singular, is plus ing. The company isn't doing well this year. The fourth use of the present continuous is for changes that take time. So we're talking about gradual changes or change that don't happen in just one click. So you have the example, it is getting dark. In the afternoon when it's almost nighttime, it doesn't get dark in just a second. So it takes time. Slowly it gets darker and darker and darker and darker until it's really nighttime. So that's the fourth use. Changes that take time. So let's take a quick look at it again. You've got the present continuous form, the fourth tense in the tense table. The pattern is mr plus ing. First rule, you use it for actions that are happening now. When you are in the middle of doing something, for periods around now, and for changes that take time. Thank you so much for watching.